How to sign in and log in to SHEIN. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you have been logged out of your SHEIN account, then all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open SHEIN at your device. Now on bottom right hand side of your screen, you will see this option Me. So tap on it. Now once you do that, here on top of your screen you will see this option Sign in/register. So simply tap on it. Now, if you were logged in before, then on your screen, you will already see the email address that you have used before. If you want to use the same account, simply tap on sign in or else tap on sign in with another account. Now, two things. If you have used the same email that appears on your device, then simply tap on continue and you will be logged into your account. Or else simply tap on continue with Google or use different Google account and then enter your password. So here, as I have already used this account before, so I will tap on continue. And there you go. I have successfully logged into SHEIN. So this is how you can sign into SHEIN on your device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.